Hello guys, welcome back to my channel VERON. So guys, now we are here at Nglanggeran mountain here in Gunung Kidul, Yogyakarta, and now we are on our way to, I don't think we can go to the top, but yeah, we go up now. Actually we came here to see the sunset guys, but I don't think we can catch it because it's raining before. The rain is just stopped, so yeah, but we will see how it looks like from up there. So if you want to know guys, just keep watching this video, okay? Bisa. Okay guys, like there's nobody's here, only us, 4 of us.
Mana tidak bawa air lagi?
Oh iya
Veron so capek.
This is my favorite part guys here. Yeah, this is it guys. You see it right there? Yeah. I think we just gonna go up there. We're not gonna go to the top. And we don't even bring water. Wow. Okay, well, slowly. Wow, you see guys, to the up there. Whew. And there's stairs here, and you see guys, this stone, there's water because of the raining. So we came from down here guys, and you see, are you tired Annie? Wow, Pinny, we lose Pinny. Where is he? Wow guys, the view from up here. Keep going. We are almost at the first stop. See? Wow. Okay. There's one more stairs. Here. Tired? So now you see we are just hang out here. So guys, that is Nglanggeran mountain here in Gunung Kidul, Yogyakarta, and we don't go to the top because it is quite late now. We just wanna hang out here and wait till dark, and I hope you enjoy this video guys, and see you in next video. Bye.